Hello, smoothie lovers. Smoothies are my passion. There's something incredibly satisfying about blending fresh ingredients into a delicious, nutritious drink. They are like bursts of sunshine in a glass. Each sip is a delightful explosion of flavors that can instantly brighten your day. Imagine fresh fruits, vibrant veggies, and powerful superfoods all blended into a delicious drink. It is like magic. You get the best of nature's bounty in one convenient, tasty package. Smoothies are perfect for any time of day. Enjoy them for breakfast to kickstart your morning, a midday pick-me-up to keep your energy levels high, or a sweet treat after dinner to satisfy your dessert cravings without the guilt. But the best part? You can create your own flavor combinations. The possibilities are endless. Mix and match your favorite ingredients to discover new and exciting tastes. Whether you prefer tropical fruits, leafy greens, or a mix of both, there's a smoothie out there for everyone. Let's talk ingredients. This is where the fun begins, but choosing the right ingredients can be tricky. Do you go for classic combos like strawberry and banana, or do you try something more adventurous? Don't be afraid to experiment. Grab whatever fruits, veggies, or superfoods you have on hand. Remember, a little bit of this and a little bit of that can go a long way. Now let's talk texture. Do you prefer your smoothies thick and creamy or light and refreshing? The key is to find the right liquid to solid ratio. For thicker smoothies, use less liquid or add frozen ingredients. For thinner smoothies, use more liquid, and don't forget about ice. Ice can help to create the perfect consistency. Just add a few cubes to your blender and blend until smooth. The balancing act, healthy delights or guilty pleasures? It's a question we often ask ourselves when reaching for a snack or planning a meal. Do we go for something nutritious or something that feels like a treat? The good news is, you don't always have to choose one over the other. Smoothies are a great way to pack in nutrients. They can be loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants from fresh fruits and vegetables. Think of all the vibrant colors and flavors you can mix together to create a delicious and healthy drink. But sometimes we want a treat, and that's perfectly okay. Life is about enjoying the little pleasures, and food is one of them. Adding a bit of indulgence to your smoothie can make it feel like a special treat without completely derailing your healthy eating habits. The good news is you can have the best of both worlds. By combining healthy ingredients with a touch of indulgence, you can create a smoothie that satisfies both your nutritional needs and your cravings. Use naturally sweet ingredients like bananas. Bananas are not only sweet, but also packed with potassium and fiber, making them a great base for any smoothie. And mangoes to satisfy your sweet tooth. Mangoes add a tropical twist and are rich in vitamins A and C, which are great for your skin and immune system. And don't be afraid to add in a little bit of indulgence, like a spoonful of nut butter. Nut butter adds a creamy texture and a dose of healthy fats and protein. Like a spoonful of nut butter, it can make your smoothie more filling and satisfying, keeping you energized throughout the day. Or a drizzle of honey. Honey not only adds sweetness, but also has antibacterial properties and can soothe a sore throat. Remember, life is all about balance. By thoughtfully combining healthy and indulgent ingredients, you can enjoy a smoothie that is both delicious and nutritious. So go ahead, blend up your perfect mix and savor every sip. Smoothie, magic love in a glass. Imagine sipping on a drink that not only tastes divine, but also transports you to a tropical paradise with every sip. That's exactly what this smoothie does. It's like a mini vacation in a glass, perfect for any time of the day. Ready for a smoothie recipe that embodies love in a glass? Try this tropical delight. Ingredients: 1 cup frozen mango, ½ cup frozen pineapple, ½ cup coconut water. These ingredients are not just delicious, but also packed with nutrients that will keep you energized and refreshed. 1/4 teaspoon bee pollen, optional. Bee pollen is a superfood that adds an extra layer of nutrition to your smoothie. It's rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making your smoothie not just tasty, but also incredibly healthy. 1. Combine all ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. The blending process is where the magic happens. Watch as the vibrant colors of the fruits mix together to create a beautiful, creamy texture. 2. Pour into a glass and enjoy. The moment you pour it out, you'll see the rich, luscious texture that makes this smoothie so irresistible. This smoothie is a taste of paradise. It's like having a tropical getaway right in your kitchen. The flavors are so well balanced, you'll feel like you're on a beach vacation. The mango and pineapple are sweet and tangy. These fruits are not only delicious, but also packed with vitamins and antioxidants that are great for your health. The coconut water is refreshing and hydrating. It's the perfect base for this smoothie, adding a subtle sweetness and a lot of hydration. And the bee pollen adds a boost of nutrition. It's optional, but highly recommended for that extra health kick. So there you have it. A simple yet incredibly delicious smoothie that you can make in minutes. Everything you need to know about making magical smoothies. With just a few ingredients and a blender, you can create a drink that's not only tasty, but also packed with nutrients. Now go forth and create your own delicious blends. Experiment with different fruits and superfoods to find your perfect combination. Cheers to health and happiness.